Hi everyone, welcome to my channel all about health. Before moving forward, hit the subscribe button. Rice has long been used in Korean skincare for its nourishing, brightening, and soothing properties. The enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins in rice make it a versatile ingredient for skincare. Here are 10 DIY rice-based remedies that you can try to enhance your skin, inspired by Korean beauty practices. 1. Rice Water Toner. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rice, 2 cups water. Instructions: rinse the rice thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. Soak the rice in water for 30 minutes. Strain the rice and save the water in a clean container. Use this rice water as a toner after cleansing to balance your skin's pH and hydrate it. Benefits: rice water is rich in vitamins B and E, and it can help to brighten and tighten the skin. 2. Rice Flour Face Mask for Brightening. Ingredients: -2 tablespoons rice flour, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons water or rose water. Instructions: mix rice flour, honey, and water to form a thick paste. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently scrub in circular motions before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Benefits: rice flour has gentle exfoliating properties and can brighten dull skin and reduce pigmentation. 3. Rice Oil Massage for Hydration. Ingredients: -1/4 cup rice bran oil. Instructions: warm the rice bran oil slightly. Massage the oil onto your face in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on for 15 minutes before washing off with warm water. Benefits: rice bran oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that help moisturize and nourish the skin. 4. Rice and Green Tea Face Pack. Ingredients: -1 tablespoon rice powder, 1 tablespoon green tea powder matcha, 1 to 2 tablespoons water or aloe vera gel. Instructions: mix rice powder and matcha powder, then add water or aloe vera gel to create a smooth paste. Apply to the face and leave on for 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Benefits: this face pack helps reduce inflammation and brighten the skin while adding antioxidants from green tea. 5. Rice and Yogurt Brightening Scrub. Ingredients: -1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, -1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: mix rice flour, yogurt, and honey to make a thick paste. Gently apply the scrub in circular motions to your face. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Benefits: the yogurt exfoliates and nourishes the skin, while rice flour brightens and evens out skin tone. 6. Rice and Turmeric Face Mask for Even Tone. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons rice flour, -1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons milk or yogurt. Instructions: mix the ingredients to form a smooth paste. Apply evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits: turmeric helps brighten dark spots, and rice flour gently exfoliates and lightens the skin. 7. Rice and Aloe Vera Gel Hydrating Mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon rice flour, -2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon water or rose water. Instructions: mix rice flour, aloe vera gel, and water to form a paste. Apply it to your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits: aloe vera hydrates the skin, while rice flour helps to brighten and soften the skin. 8. Rice and Coconut Oil Moisturizer. Ingredients: -1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, -1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: mix rice flour, coconut oil, and honey into a smooth paste. Gently apply to your face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Benefits: this moisturizing mask is great for dry skin, as coconut oil provides deep hydration while rice flour evens out skin tone. 9. Rice and oatmeal soothing mask. Ingredients: -1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon ground oatmeal, -1 tablespoon honey, 1 to 2 teaspoons water. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together to create a smooth paste. Apply to the face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions before washing off. Benefits: oatmeal soothes irritated skin, while rice flour exfoliates and brightens the complexion. 10. Rice water spray for refreshing skin. Ingredients: rice water from the first DIY, a small spray bottle. Instructions: pour the rice water into a small spray bottle. Use this spray throughout the day to refresh your skin and add moisture. Benefits: this spray helps hydrate and tone your skin, keeping it refreshed and glowing throughout the day. Additional tips for best results: patch test. Always do a patch test with any DIY remedy, especially if you have sensitive skin, to avoid irritation. Consistency. For the best results, incorporate these remedies into your skincare routine 2 to 3 times a week. Use natural ingredients. Opt for organic or natural rice and other ingredients when possible to avoid harsh chemicals on your skin. These DIY rice remedies are a natural way to help brighten, hydrate, and exfoliate your skin, helping you achieve the smooth and glowing complexion often associated with Korean skincare.